So I took the spring, put it in the vise, and it wasn't easy, and I was actually worried I wouldn't even be able to straighten it out. But I got it pretty good. It wants to jump out of the vise when you start hitting it. Springs just don't want to stay in there. You have to clamp them pretty darn hard. But I think this is straight enough. We're going to put it back in here, and then the next thing is to I'm pretty sure I'm going to try 2 layers of aluminum right here and screw it in, and I'm hoping that'll do it. The glue did not do it. I'm not surprised, so much vibration. But maybe the aluminum, maybe I can make a nice shape here and do it, and maybe this spring will hold things in. So what you do is you first screw it in the top here, and then you turn this screw, which kind of goes around the spring, to pull it down, and that's how it's held. Okay, let's put it together and see what we end up with.